This is a PIXLIP pop. We're going to show you how to set it up now. I'm Sanka, and today I'll show you how you can easily set up a PIXLIP pop like this in just a few minutes. It comes delivered in a bag like this, and we'll show you everything that's inside now. What we see here are actually all the parts, and they're easy to put together and quick to assemble. And all of this without any tools at all. To start, we lay out all the parts, preferably on a flat surface. First, we grab the base plate, which you can recognize by the number 1 and the fold-out feet. Next come the precisely fitting corner connectors. Simply plug them in and press them firmly into place. And we repeat this process with the roof element marked with the number 2. Now let's move on to the side profiles. First, just slide the lower halves cleanly over the base plate and snap them into place. Make sure that the colored letters on the profiles match up with each other. Now we add the 2 lateral longitudinal connectors, which we connect directly to the crossbar. This provides stability in the middle and keeps everything nice and straight when the tension from the textiles later acts on the frame. Next, we continue with the upper side profiles, and again, the colored letters always have to match up. Finally, insert the top profile with the corner connectors into the side profiles, and your frame is basically finished. All right, this part gets a bit tricky now. We place the rear textile with the integrated LED strips onto the frame. And make sure that the cable comes out down here at the foot end. It's best to start with the corners. Here, the fabric can be easily stretched. But with PIXLIP's silicone lip, even this isn't rocket science. All right, now let's turn it over for now. Next, continue with the printed textile. Again, start with the corners, then thread in the lip and press it in all the way around. So, and once everything is nicely in place, help your PIXLIP pop stand up and set it upright with the feet unfolded. Almost done. Now just connect the power supply, plug it in, and there you have it. Neatly assembled, stable, and ready to use. Our PIXLIP pop is standing. That was easy, it was quick, and most importantly, it lights up. You can find more videos at PIXLIP